Welcome back to another session with me, Monica, on this beautiful morning in Hawaii. We'll work on our hips today, so we can start with being on the side of the mat, having our legs out, just shaking them out, looking at the view, taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we're just going to slowly just try to touch our feet. I prefer to touch my ankles just because I'm not that flexible. So wherever you are, maybe if it's just by your knees, try to grab and alternate. Breathing and exhaling. And as you exhale, try to reach a little bit further into your stretch. Inhale and exhale. Just warming up the legs. This pose is very similar to as if we were standing in a forward fold. And you're going to bring your right leg up and just do a minor little twist. And as you're in your first twist, say hello to yourself. Say hello to your heart. Say hello to your stomach. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And switch sides. This time say hello to the sun. Thank it for warming up the day, for bringing light. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Back to center, grabbing your ankles and your knees, ankles and knees. And this time just hold your ankles, flex your feet. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Now you're going to grab your right ankle and put it on the inside of your hip, placing the knee onto the mat and stretching again in through the nose and out through the mouth. If you want to go deeper, stretch out even further. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And slowly bringing the leg out. And again, touching the ankles and the knees. Noticing how your body has woken up a little bit, just like the sun. That you can reach a little bit further. And we're going to switch sides. Grab the left ankle, put it in the inside of your knee. Notice maybe how one side is less flexible than the other. My left knee can't actually make it down to the ground. And again now, just breathe and stretch, trying to reach the ankle. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And rotate out so that way you can stretch into the spinal twist. You can also reach over if you'd like, feeling more of the deeper stretch in the back of the leg. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Switching back to just reaching out straight. through the nose and out through the mouth. Good job. Coming back to center, shaking your legs out, trying to reach and bend forward, relaxing the neck muscles. Now you're gonna bring yourself into a mini cobra, placing your forearms on the ground, lifting up, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, letting your neck go side to side, stretching it out. Curling the toes, coming up to a down dog position. Pedaling out your feet. And then you're gonna bring your right leg up and bring it through the hands into a lunge position. Before you go any further, just drop the knee and we're gonna just stretch out the inner legs. Noticing where you have tightness, bring your breath to that area. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Very good. Now back to the higher lunge, bringing your arms up to the sky, trying to bend a little bit back, but not too much. You don't want to overstrain yourself this morning. Then you're going to bring your arms out to me, and then you're going to twist to the ocean and to the rising sun. And again, twist to me, and then twist to the ocean. Do that 2 more times, to me, and to the ocean, and then 1 more time. Just activating our digestive system. Arms up over the head, reaching up to the sky. If you can, try to bend a little bit further down. Hold, good job. Bring both hands down to the ground, to your plank, coming down into a higher cobra now. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, curling the toes into your down dog. Taking the left leg up, doing the same thing by bringing the leg in between the hands. Just getting your posture in, dropping the knee, and again, just to warm up the inner thighs, move in a forward and backward position. Forward and back. Breathing gently, breathing slowly. Give thanks to your legs. They do a lot for us. Maybe you start to feel it in the hip now. Your hip is opening up, cracking. That's good. And then back to the lunge. Tightening your stomach, holding your core, coming up, finding your balance, and again, looking up to the sky and just slowly bending down, bending backwards. Opening up your heart, and then open yourself up to the ocean. And we're gonna do a few of those twists again. Twisting back forward to me. And the ocean back to me. Breathe, inhale, and exhale, twist. Maybe you notice one side you're a little bit more wobbly. This side is a little bit more weaker for me. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Arms up, reach back, hold. Very good. Bring your hands down to the ground. Chaturanga your way up to a cobra. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Just close your eyes here. Listen to the sound of the waves breaking on the shoreline. Just relax the shoulders. And come completely down to the ground. Curling your toes, getting yourself ready. You can bring your shoulders up to your ears and relax. Up to your ears, squeeze your shoulders and release back into your down dog again. And this time you're gonna walk your hands to the feet, pedaling out your feet, In through the nose and out through the mouth. You can come and twist to the left and then twist to the right, or vice versa. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And this time just grab the back of your ankles. Maybe you need to bend your legs here. And again, in through the nose and out through the mouth, and come all the way up. Now we're just going to work on some balancing poses to transition into our next pose. You're going to bring your right ankle up to your hip, just like we were while we were standing or sitting. Just holding it here. If you want some added balance, you can bring your arms up. But what we're going to do now is just slowly come on down into a chair pose, into our plank, and bringing ourselves downward. We're just going to do a minor stretch here for our inner leg. And just rest here in this pose. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Then coming up to be Cobra while you're in this pose. Resting, feeling what your inner thighs are telling you. Curling the back toe, coming up again into this pose. You want to place your hips forward, come up to a seated chair, and then using that balance, spotting something on the ground. Hold, hold, hold. And slowly release that right leg, coming up into a deeper chair pose. Good job. Forward fold. And reach over to the left. And then to the right. Again to the left. And to the right. Reaching up to the sky. And we're going to do it all over again with the left side. So finding your balance, tucking in your hips forward, sucking in, bringing the left leg to your inner thigh, squatting down into a chair, breathe, and then slowly walk your way forward, dropping yourself to the ground, resting your forehead on your hands. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And reaching back up to a cobra, mini cobra. Curling the toes. Walking your way up into a chair. Finding your balance. However this side is, maybe you need to drop the leg, just reorientate yourself. Squatting down into your chair, hold, 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 coming down into a better chair, and then slowly coming down. And again to the left, to the right. We're gonna say hello to the little puppy. Hello. And again to the left. And to the right, coming all the way up and coming back to a seated position. Wants to play fetch. And then bringing your legs up to the front of the mat into a butterfly position and twisting to the left and to the right and again to the left and to the right. Bring your hands up over the head, And then lean to the left and lean to the right again. Clasp your hands in the back and try to bring your weight forward, noticing the difference in the stretches of how your legs feel. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, arms up over the head. And then bringing your hands to center. Thanking your heart again for just taking a moment to be with yourself. For taking some time to stretching out your body, to thanking your body for the way that it likes to work on us. Sometimes it's not our friend and it's in pain. And when it's in pain, that is when we need to give it some more love. So if you feel that you need to perhaps massage your calves, your ankles, your shins, you can do so now as we finish our practice with sending love to our legs, sending love to our body, and thanking our body for functioning. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And thank you for watching the sunrise with me. My name is Monica. Feel free to subscribe and like this video for more. Aloha!